Welcome to ForestTrader. ForestTrader is a trading portal for FSC certified products. In order to begin trading, you must first register an account either as a buyer, as a seller, or as a reseller. As part of what makes ForestTrader unique, data on trade and payments are monitored and managed on the platform, as well as ensuring certification validity. In the case of sellers, listing a product on ForestTrader is as easy as adding a product, creating a listing, accepting bids on your listing, and then making your first trade. Adding a product means that the products that are available to you are bound to the FSC certificate that you uploaded on the onboarding process. In this case, if I am uploading a product which is wood charcoal, I will select my inputs, select packaging options, select the bag provision, wait, and I have the option of uploading an image as well. As soon as I have added a product, I can then go ahead and create a listing that is associated with the product. When creating my listings, I can set my quantity, price per unit, and I can specify a desired deposit amount. Sellers can also input the coordinates of where the stock is being held. As an example, a random address is selected. And I can set whether I want a partial fulfillment of the order or not, as well as specifying who the point of sale is for. The listing is now created. Switching to the buyer view, buyers can view the seller's listings and they can find specific orders they are looking for by using the dynamic filters. They can also use the global search bar to search on specifically a certain type of product name that they may be looking for. A buyer can open a listing and make a bid on that listing. They can view all the details about the product associated to that listing, and they can either autofill by making a bid on the specified amounts that the seller was asking for, where they can change some of these input values to make their bid more compelling. The buyer should also specify what the estimated transport cost is going to be, and then a buyer can bid on how much of that cost they are willing to cover. And finally, a buyer can upload a condition of sale which specifies their terms under which they would be willing to complete the payment on the order after the screening has taken place. Their bid can be reviewed and submitted once they are satisfied with it. Switching back to the seller view. Sellers will be able to see the bids on their listing and filter them to find the most compelling bid, and begin the payment process with a buyer.